to calculate the surface area of cuboid. So in this example, with the measurement of 6 by 11 by 3 cm, so let's analyze first the front, the right side, the top, the bottom, the left side, and the back part of this cuboid. So the front and back had a measurement of 6 by 3. So if we're going to find the area, that is 6 times 3 times 2, because it's front and back. So the area of that part is 36 cm square. While the right side and the left side of this cuboid has the measurement of 11 by 3. So if we're going to find the area of that part, it's 11 times 3 times 2, because it's right side and left side. So 11 times 3 is 33 times 2, and that is 66 cm square. While the top and the bottom of this cuboid with a measurement of 11 by 6. So all you have to do is 11 times 6 times 2. So 11 times 6 is 66 multiplied by 2, and that is 132 cm square. So to sum up this area, you will get the surface area of this cuboid. If you add 36 plus 66 plus 132, the total surface area of this cuboid is 234 cm square. Okay, so that's all. Bye.